Now 1250 I talked about. There's a couple of things that I'll point out in here. 1250 property. Remember, this is the actual real estate, like the rental property. Let's just use rental property as an example. Okay. This part's important, and you'll notice I'm slowing down a little bit on 1245, 1231, and 1250 because of all the topics in income tax, this is going to be in the top 3 things that are the most misunderstood, and for good reason. But hopefully I can provide some clarity, or I'm pretty sure I can provide some clarity here for you. So we're going to have a partial recapture, and it's called something else, which we'll see. We're going to have a gain on the sale, but up to a maximum rate of 25%. And then anything above and beyond our original basis, we're going to get clipped at that 1231 rate, which is going to be our long-term capital gain rate of 0, 15, or 20%. If we do have a loss, then we can get to actually treat that as a 1231 loss. So that's why I can say that, that I own a 1250 property, and when I sold it yesterday, I took a loss on it, and it was a 1231 loss. Or that's why I can say I own a property, and when I sold it yesterday, I actually had a 1250 gain, and I actually had, or I should say that 1250 property was treated as a 1231 gain. That's why. Just keep picturing that 1231 is the king of the hill. He's sitting up there kind of looking down at 1245 and 50. So, I'll help you out. I'm going to give you some better rates here, but you're going to have to get clipped at the 45 or the 50 rate first. The tax, our section 1250 property rate is progressive. Okay, and this is a good point here. Portion of the gain may be taxed at the 0% rate all the way on up to 25%. So if I'm in the 32% tax bracket, on a question, they're telling you that for a specific reason, they want you to think that that gain is taxed at 32%.